Morning guys, I'm feeling a bit dead this morning because I went out for a few drinks with my friend Robin last night. I think we got home at about 2 or 3 and then I woke up at 8, so it's kind of killing me a little bit, but it's all good. I always knew this trip was happening. I've just been trying to hang out with my friend Robin as much as I can recently because I'm going overseas and then the day I come back she leaves to go overseas, so I'm just trying to spend as much quality time with her as I can. Basically, we're going on a little road trip for a few days to Wilson's prom, and I know Phillip Island at some point, but I can't remember if that's today or at the end. I'm not really sure, to be honest, but we'll see. And basically it's with some people that have been on my channel quite a lot, mostly if you've watched my Japan vlogs, and they are Rika, Denise and Island. Rika's from Japan and she actually landed last night. My dad picked her up at the airport. It's gonna be great to see her again because I haven't seen her since we left at the end of February. It'd be cool to see Australia through her eyes. I'm just having my tea in bed and then I've got to pack because I've literally just got like underwear and socks on a suitcase right now. I've packed nothing, it's pretty bad. And then get ready a little bit, but I don't like wearing makeup on road trips, so mainly just like feeling a little more fresh, and then yeah, we'll be ready to go. Recently we drove across this bridge to get to Phillip Island for a job, so it's actually really weird being back here like 3 weeks later. Like I'm never ever around this area. How's your day going, Dad?
It's really cool. I'm pretty chill actually.
That's good. This area reminds me of Great Ocean Road.
What? Yeah, it's similar, isn't it?
Film it. Frame within a frame. I'm obsessed with those. Chocolate Factory.
So sweet.
That was in December.
Yes, that's so sweet.
It was December, yeah, it was in my my vlogmas.
Because we're wearing his yoga every day.
Thanks, Dal. That's great, Dal.
Ooh, jackfruit.
We had some
So good.
muffins and shit.
Now that we've had lunch, we're off to, where are we?
The Nobbies.
I keep being told the Nobbies, but I don't know what that means.
It's the rocks. Saves a couple $100.
Technique.
Not
Sort of step by step.
What I always do, whenever you're in pain, imagine that you hurt your finger. That's what I always do.
Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that'll work.
Cute.
Did I look okay?
That's pretty good. That works. It works. Well done.
See the spray?
Oh yeah, wow.
See rainbow?
Wow.
Rainbow. That's so here, there, and watch here.
A few weeks ago, it's huge. It's so huge. I think it's like 3 kilometers around. I was up here a lot. I was there a lot. Like I got the good shots like right in that circuit. Quick little tour. This is my first time walking in here, so I don't know what I'm seeing. Bedroom.
No.
Oh, nice bathroom. Very nice. Another bedroom. Ooh, bunk beddies. It's an Airbnb, by the way. Pretty nice, yeah. Whoa, huge bathroom. That's so nice. Wow, look at this. So nice. Wow. Wow, I love the kitchen.
A couple of bits further along.
Look at all of these.
What day is it? Do you know what day it is?
Rum,
Thursday.
That narrows it down.
matcha,
But you'll be working at Hootson's every
strawberry,
day.
and is this sweet potato? Yeah, sweet on its side.
And where's the wardrobe you did that way?
Did not think about that. I love that.
Through his teeth.
You need a keep cup. Keep cup so you can take it with you.
We're currently waiting on pizza and we're hoping it doesn't take too long because we really want to eat it on the beach at sunset, because that would be really, really cute. But I feel like the timing is so not going to work, and Dad feels like it could be a dodgy sunset anyway, because as you can see behind me, maybe it's super cloudy, so it could be blocking the sun. But I'm really looking forward to just chilling out a bit because I've just had a stressful week, so it's just going to be nice to just relax. Fortunately, our Airbnb doesn't have Wi-Fi and we don't have service for some reason. We're with Optus and there's no service up here, so I was actually going to be uploading a vlog today that I was meant to be uploading yesterday, but now I'll have to do it when I get home. That's a shame, but oh well.
Beautiful dog. What?
Oh hey!
Why?
Hey!
Oh, is it high tide?
Hello!
Oh,
Hello! Oh wow, it's pretty high tide. Wow.
Your Sheridan, which is ours.
Awesome.
We figured we could always have summer Sheridans as well.
Nice. This looks so arty.
Back here.
Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers.
So that can go without sun.
We'll have to take them to Africa with us.
I don't. Oh look, it's got a spout. Oh, it is.
These are so pretty.
Really cute. Look.
Whenever a new season begins, Japanese landscape quietly changes its colours.
Oh,
Thank you so much. Yes! Amazing.
Pretty fixed, isn't it?
Morning, guys. I had a pretty good sleep, thankfully. And I'm about to have a shower in this super pretty shower. I really, really like it. I love anything where it's just glass. Just getting ready because we're going on like a little hike today, I think, or something. I'm not really sure, but I'm excited to bring you guys with me.
Busted tune. Oh my god.
We thought he had the outfit for it, so. You haven't even got the pick. The pick's at the front. I mean, the top.
You don't need a pick.
Maybe you need a pick. Oh, it was kind of a beat. It was kind of a beat at one point.
Good bass.
Boom, 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 boom.
Bass.
Just realised it was upside down. Wow.
That's better. Where have all the flowers gone? Long time coming. So I played it for the first 2 minutes upside down. I could be a comedian that tells singing jokes.
So you've already given yourself the title as comedian, and now you're wondering when you can get your talent.
A marathon. I've run one marathon. I'm a marathoner. I've written one joke. I'm a comedian.
Yeah, that's exactly how it works.
Who says there's a limit? Who says you have to run 10 marathons to be a marathoner?
That's
Who
true.
says you have to write 10 jokes? If you write
No one does.
you're a novelist. If you're in one film, you're an actor.
That's true. Good logic. Not the side I expected to see. videoing. So we're walking onto Squeaky Beach, and I don't know at what point it starts squeaking, but I'm ready for it. No, this feels too much like normal sound. I still don't understand why it squeaks. It's kind of raining as well a little bit. I haven't been here since I was like 7, but I remember this like perfectly, which is so cool. It's weird reliving the same thing, but like 10 years later or 13 years later. Mum's seeing if she can trek up there. These could work.
Yeah, step on that bit there.
Can you help me?
Yeah. No, not that bit.
Whatever. It's just water.
Stick something there.
On my foot. Step on my, no, you go there. No, you can step that way. Go there. Now go to the edge.
So step on my foot, you're saying?
Step on my foot. Yeah.
You sure? No, wait, get in the way.
Hey.